I'm not leaving 'cause I want to. I'd do anything to stay. Please don't let my demons haunt you, and you will be much better off this way. Can't stop the craziness inside my head. Well, there has got to be a better way. If I don't find it soon, I'm good as dead, because I won't listen to what they say. I make my living on just getting by. Nothing to show means I got nothing to lose. That's how it's been, and I can't tell you why. It seems to me I've more than paid my dues. Black and blue is all you leave me. Still I keep on coming back. So this time through it's me that's leaving. I got to find me a better path. I hope that one day you can wish me well. I never meant for you to hurt like this. I said I'd catch you, it was me who fell. I got a problem and it's yet to be fixed. So walk away, boy. Can't give you something that I never had, and all I have will only bring you down. So walk away before it makes you mad. Don't try to save me, or we're both gonna drown.
I never heard that one before.